In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix OneDrive error 1200 something went wrong. This quick method focuses on running a single command that refreshes OneDrive's connection and clears the common sign-in hiccups behind this error. Don't worry, your files stay safe in the cloud. We're just helping the OneDrive app reset itself so it can reconnect cleanly. First, copy the code you see on the screen. Make sure you highlight the entire line from start to finish, including any symbols or slashes, and avoid adding extra spaces at the beginning or end. Use your preferred method, right-click and copy, or press Ctrl+C. Getting the code exactly right matters because even a missing character can prevent the command from running. Next, open the Run dialog on Windows. Press the Windows key and the R key together once. You should see a small box pop up in the lower left or center of your screen labeled Run, with a field that says Open. If you're using a compact keyboard, the Windows key might be labeled with the Windows logo. Pressing Windows plus R is simply a fast way to tell Windows you want to launch a specific tool or command. Now paste the code you copied into the open field of the Run box. Click inside the box and press Ctrl+V, or right-click and choose Paste. Double check that what you pasted matches exactly what you copied earlier. If you see anything extra, like a stray quotation mark, a comma, or leftover text from a previous command, delete it so only the code appears. This step is important because the Run box can remember past entries and you want to ensure the current code is clean and accurate. Finally, press Enter on your keyboard. The command will run immediately. You may notice OneDrive closing, then relaunching after a short pause. It can take a minute or two for OneDrive to refresh, sign back in, and begin checking your folders. During this time, the icon in your taskbar may show a syncing symbol or briefly disappear and return. That's normal. Give it a moment to complete the refresh, then look for the OneDrive cloud icon to turn solid again without any warning badges. At this point, the something went wrong error with code 1200 should be cleared and OneDrive should resume syncing normally. If you had paused syncing earlier, you can resume it now. Remember, this process doesn't delete your files. It simply resets the app so it can reconnect properly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this quick fix gets you back up and running smoothly.